Here's what we can do in order to fix Wi-Fi issues on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. So first and foremost, we're gonna go to settings, and if you choose connections, make sure that the airplane mode is not enabled. Sometimes we turn it on by accident and we don't even notice. So make sure that it is disabled because of course this prevents us from using Wi-Fi. Next, we're gonna go to Wi-Fi, and the first thing that we can do is simply turn off and turn on the Wi-Fi. This allows us to refresh the Wi-Fi and reconnect to our Wi-Fi. So if you can find your Wi-Fi on this list, if you don't automatically reconnect, then you can tap on your Wi-Fi to try to reconnect. And another thing that we can do if you cannot connect to Wi-Fi is that you can tap on the setting gear on the right side, and then we can simply forget the Wi-Fi network. If you have been connected to Wi-Fi but you cannot find it on this list, then we can go to the top right corner over here where we have these three dots and go to advanced settings. Then if you choose manage networks, you should be able to find safe networks, and if you tap on them, you should also be able to forget the Wi-Fi. And of course, after that, we want to reconnect to the Wi-Fi. So find your Wi-Fi network and enter the password and try to reconnect. Now, if you cannot find the Wi-Fi on this list at all, then most likely it is because there are some issues with the router of your Wi-Fi. So you want to check if you, for example, have the Wi-Fi connection on other devices that use the same Wi-Fi connection, and check if the Wi-Fi is there. If not, then most likely it is not actually the phone's fault. It might be just the internet's fault. There might be an outage or something. However, if this issue is only on your phone, then the next thing that we can do is simply go back to the settings, and this time we're gonna scroll down until we find the general management, then go to reset. There we go. And then over here, go to reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, and then confirm by pressing reset settings. Unfortunately, these two things are connected and cannot be separated. So if you reset Wi-Fi, you will also reset Bluetooth. And as you can see, we have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth have been reset. So now we can go back to the Wi-Fi. And by the way, if you have used any Bluetooth devices, then obviously you will have to reconnect them. So let's go back to Wi-Fi, and we need to connect to our Wi-Fi network again. And this time we should be able to easily connect without any issues. And that's pretty much it. If you still cannot connect to your Wi-Fi, just make sure that the Wi-Fi is actually properly working in general. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.